Okay, besties, let's get into it. Grab your iced tea, your iced coffee, your Amazon cozy blanket, and that cute little lip gloss from Cross Beauty because, whew, the girls are talking and the blogs have been working overtime. Everything here is alleged, entertainment only, so don't sue me. Sue your mama, okay? Let's break this down like we're on FaceTime, bonnet on, nails tapping, and receipts pulled up. Besties, Princess Love said, "I'm done." Like, officially done. And it all started the moment news broke that Ray J had allegedly been arrested after Thanksgiving, and baby, the timeline went crazy. So here's what the streets are saying. Ray J was reportedly picked up after some kind of incident over the holiday weekend again, all alleged, and then boom, just like that, he was out on bail like it was a casual Tuesday. And Princess? Oh, she wasted no time. Sis hopped online and basically said, actually, it's rehab o'clock. Whew. Besties, Princess Love didn't hold back. She said what a lot of people have been whispering for years, and she said it loud enough for the Zeus cameramen to hear. She basically told Ray J he needs help, professional help. And honestly, the internet kind of agreed. Everyone was like, we love Ray J, but accountability is calling, please pick up. And you know how Princess is? When she's fed up? Baby, she's fed up. You can literally hear the "I'm not doing this anymore" in her voice, even through text. The girls in the comments were like, not again. Why is it every holiday? And Princess deserves peace. And honestly, they ate that. Then the plot twist. Besties. Ray J went live. Of course he did. Because if there is anything Ray J is going to do, it's hop on live and say a whole lot without saying anything. He was talking in circles, smiling, cracking jokes, acting like everything was normal while Princess was over there packing emotional bags and luggage. People in the comments were like, "Sir, blink twice if you're okay, and where's Scooty Bike when you need it?" Meanwhile, Princess was dropping subliminals sharper than acrylic stilettos. Quotes about healing. Quotes about protecting your peace. Quotes about repeating cycles. At this point, she's basically giving a whole sermon, and Ray J is somewhere doing Ray J things. It's chaos, but like celebrity chaos that somehow always feels on brand. And you know the blogs were running with this. Screenshots, clips, think pieces. Somebody even made a 40-minute YouTube video titled "The Downfall of Princess and Ray J, a Timeline" that had only been uploaded for 6 minutes. The internet does not sleep, besties. The part that really gagged everybody was Princess allegedly saying she's done trying to fix someone who doesn't want to be fixed. Baby, that was a dagger. She is tired, and honestly, good for her. Princess has fought for that relationship like it's a UFC championship. At some point, you just gotta choose you. People are speculating. Are they officially done? Is this another Love and Hip Hop season warming up? Will Ray J check into rehab for real this time? The streets want answers, and honestly, same. I'm over here refreshing like I'm waiting for a Shein package to hit delivered. But regardless of what happens, one thing is for sure. The internet loves Ray J, but the internet loves Princess even more, and everyone just wants them to be healthy, happy, and not trending on a holiday weekend. Besties! The story did not stop there. The blogs woke up the next morning like they clocked in for work, and suddenly we had new layers. So let's get into these extra paragraphs because the teapot is still steaming. Baby, once Princess spoke her piece, her supporters came out like a full army. People were stitching to old clips, resurfacing interviews, pulling out receipts from 2016 like they had been waiting for this moment. One TikTok even said, "Prince has been warning us, y'all just didn't listen." And the comments were agreeing like they were in church. Then someone posted a clip of Ray J at a party the night before the alleged arrest, and let me tell you, the internet is investigative. They were zooming in, slowing the video down, analyzing shadows, giving CSI Miami energy. Is that him? Is he okay? Why is he smiling like that? It was too much, besties. Too much. Meanwhile, Princess posted a photo looking stunning, hair laid, nails fresh, skin glowing like she just left a spa in Bali, and the caption was nothing but a butterfly emoji. Nothing else. And that alone had the timeline in a chokehold. Because when a woman posts a butterfly emoji, yeah, she's transforming and she's done. And then Ray J dropped a random promo post acting like the whole internet wasn't on. Fire. That man will be in the middle of a PR disaster and still be like, check out my new earbuds. The comments were eating him alive. People were like, "Sir, not now," and "Raymond, address the situation." But he was unbothered, or pretending to be. Besties, here's the next twist. Princess's mama jumped into the chat. Oh yes. Mama Love said something about, sometimes you gotta let people hit rock bottom. And whoo, when the mother-in-law speaks, that's when. You know it's not giving marriage counseling, it's giving pack his things and put them on the porch. Then the Shaving Room reposted an old clip of Ray J on Love and Hip Hop promising Princess he'd never embarrass her again. And the comments were dragging him like luggage through an airport. This you. Sir, be serious. It was a digital courtroom and Ray J was losing the case. But here's where it got emotional. Someone close to the family allegedly said that Princess has tried everything counseling space, accountability talks, and she just wants stability for her kids. And that's when folks really rallied behind her. The vibe shifted from messy gossip to, girl, we love you, heal and be happy, and besties. Apparently, Ray J has been quiet since then. No lives, no rants, no confusion. Which makes the blogs wonder, is he finally listening? Is he entering rehab? Is PR telling him to sit down and log off? Because if Ray J is silent, something is brewing. All right, babe, that's the latest tea. While these celeb relationships are giving drama, your nails don't have to. Shop Cross Beauty for the cutest press-ons and glosses so you stay polished and in your soft era, no Ray J chaos included. Besties, stay moisturized, stay glowing, and stay drama-free. Get into Cross Beauty for your glam essentials because looking good is the best revenge, period.